Hey there family. Thank you so much for clicking my video. And in today's video, I have a quick, easy, simple install for you all. And today's wig is brought to you by 𝗪𝗡𝗅. If you're interested in this wig, I will be sure to leave the website link below in the description box with the wig details. And if you like to find them on social media, I'll be sure to leave their social media links down there as well. Let's get into it. So when I received the wig came neatly packaged. And when you order, they send you a few goodies in the box. They sent me over this wig pamphlet with some useful information and hair care tips from 𝗪𝗡𝗅. In the box, there was a 𝗪𝗡𝗅 pouch, and it came with 2 hair clips and a rat tail comb. When I opened the soap baggie that the wig came in, I noticed it came with 2 wig caps, and they also sent a slip with the order information on it, which I will list below in the description box. The wig came neatly packaged as well. A lot of you guys already know I like to show the inside cap construction so you guys know how much parting space you're working with. This wig comes with a 13x6 lace frontal parting space. Behind the frontal, there are 2 combs with another comb in the nape area and adjustable straps. They also inserted a adjustable elastic band that come with 3 hook settings. The lace in the nape area and hairline comes pre-cut. This is how the wig comes straight out of the package. All right. So for this wig show and tell, I am not going to go in and customize this wig, meaning I am not going to pluck the hairline. I am not going to touch up the cut on the wig. I want to see what 𝗪𝗡𝗅 is working with, and usually they never disappoint. So this wig comes as a right side part, and I went in and made the right side part more deeper. Y'all already know, to me, the deeper a parting space, the more realistic a wig looks. I'm going in with my Annis hot comb on the highest temperature setting, which is number 20, and I'm pressing down the parting space, making it nice and flat. And now I'm running the hot comb through on the hairline, smoothing out the hairline so I can see how much of that hairline 𝗪𝗡𝗅 plucked. So far with what I'm seeing with the hairline, they did a really good job plucking it, so that's a check. And as for the bleach knots, they did a good job bleaching it. That's another check. Now I'm going to go in and straighten out the hair because I guess on the way here, it went through some things, so it could use a little bump and a little So I'm gonna go in with my Babyless Prima 3000, and I have it on the temperature setting 410. I'm just gonna go in and take some huge chunks of sections and flat iron the wig. Next up, I'm going to take MyFirstWig's Flyaway Tamer, and I'm going to use this to say bye-bye to these frizzes at the top by the parting space. They is a no. I love MyFirstWig Flyaway Tamer. It's really lightweight compared to other Flyaway Tamers that I use. That's a little too heavy and what's the word? Thick, like oil. This one is like a lightweight oil / serum, and it really gets the job done. After I apply the product on the flyaways, I go in with my Andis hot comb to help melt the product into the hair and give it a nice shine. Now it is time for the wig install. All right, so I really like how MyFirstWigs went in and cut the lace, and they didn't just cut it straight. It has that zigzag motion that I like that I use with my zigzag scissors, so that's a plus. Underneath, I'm gonna go in with Fit Me powder. This is, Maybelline Fit Me powder in the shade 360, and I'm applying that underneath the what's wrong with me? I need to calm down. I'm applying that underneath the lace, only to the spots I'll be showing. So that's the parting space and hairline. I don't like applying it all over the lace because the whole lace won't be showing, so I don't got product to waste. So I'm just putting the wig on and laying it in place. The wig hairline is longer than my hairline, so I'm going to go in with my eyebrow scissors and cut off some of that extra lace by the ear tab. I'm going to use olive oil super hold spray, and I'm going to spray one layer of this on top of the lace, but I'm going to spray it from my ear tab up to my temple, and I'm going to go in and blow dry it on the warm setting until it's completely dry. So you could stop right here and not use any baby hairs. The wig is really cute without the baby hairs, but I would like some angel wings. So I'm gonna go in and add me a few angel wings and a little swoop-dee-swoop. The product that I use to hold my angel wings down is some spritz, and I spray the spritz on the baby hair brush, and then I go with the brush like back and forth between the comb, the brush, whatever I need to get my baby hairs in place. I just flick it back and forth until I get my desired end results. Now I'm taking Ruby Kisses Cream Foundation in the shade 12, and I'm going to take the lightest shade in the palette and put that in my parting space so the parting space could pop up a little bit more like scalp. So right here is my end results, and it's just like that. The wig that I have is Kaayladee Side Part Burn Cut Bob Glueless Human Hair Invisible Lace Front Wig, style Kaayladee-001. This is a silky straight pre-styled bob in the length 10 inches, and the hair color is natural black. This was a really easy install. Love, 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 love it. And one thing I love about My First Wigs is their bobs. Their bobs is always on point. And so far, I think this is my favorite bob from them. Look at the shine. Look at the cut. What? I don't have any product on the hair except for by the parting space to lay down those flyaways. This bob right here definitely passed the shake test. The bob is bobbing. The bob move when I move. And I love the fact that the knots came pre-bleached, the hairline came pre-plucked, the lace came pre-cut. What? Love it, My First Wig. You guys did an excellent job. Mwah. Perfecto. Styling this wig was easy. When I was styling, I got zero tangling. As for shedding was super low. I really didn't have any shedding to show you guys on camera. I love how the cut came. Sometimes when I get bobs from companies, I have to go in and touch up the cut, but this don't need no touching up. And when you order, the wig comes just like this. All the details of the wig that I have in today's video, I will be sure to list it in my description box. You don't have to worry about if this wig is big head friendly or small head friendly, because on their website they have two size options that you can check out from, between 21.5 to 23 inches. I love how much parting space this wig comes with. A bob with a deep parting space hits different because it looks super natural, very realistic. The lace that they used on this wig, I love the lace. really easy to blend. You don't have to spray a whole bunch of product on the lace to get it to blend either. Or if you want, you can always go in with glue if you want like perfection and you want your lace super melted. But otherwise, I love it. I feel like it's beginner friendly, and you don't have to wear the bob in front of your face. You could slick it behind your ear and it still would be cute. I don't know, it's like I want to give up this wig and put it in my wig sale, but at the same time, it's a keeper. Like, this is my favorite bob that I received so far from My First Wig. So thank you so much, My First Wig, for sponsoring this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Later, you guys.